Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get Evo Shards on Clash Royale. You can get Evo Shards in Clash Royale by earning them from the past Royale, King's Journey, level up chests, special events and challenges, the season shop, lucky drops, and in-game shop offers. You need a specific number of shards for each card to unlock its evolved form. Some consistent sources such as King's Journey, after King level 50, you will receive evolution shards as rewards for every level you gain. Season shop, you can purchase evolution shards with season tokens, making it a consistent way to get them, especially by completing event challenges each session. Periodic and limited time sources, such as Pass Royale. Both the free and paid tiers of Pass Royale offer evolution shards as rewards at certain stages. Special events and challenges. Supercell frequently holds special events and challenges that provide evolution shards as rewards for participation and completion. Lucky drops. While rare, evolution shards can occasionally be obtained from lucky drops, which offer a chance of various rewards. Shop offers. Keep an eye on the in-game shop for limited time offers that may include evolution shards with gems or real money. What to do with your shards? Collect the right shards. Each Evo shard is specific to a certain card, so you'll need 6 shards of the same card to evolve it. Use wild shards wisely. If you get wild shards, which can be used for any card, prioritize evolving cards that will have a significant impact on your gameplay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.